Good morning. Now, here we are with chapter number 7 again, conservation. Today, we will read about the classification of flora and fauna categorized by IUCN. IUCN has classified flora and fauna into four main categories. They are extinct species, extinct in natural habitat, endangered, and endemic. Do you know the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species? It is the world's most comprehensive inventory of threatened species. The term threatened species comprises of endangered, vulnerable, and critically endangered species. All these type comes under threatened species. So first is extinct species. Extinct species are those species of plants and animals that once lived on earth and now not even a single individual of the species is alive. That means it is completely removed from the environment. Not a single individual of that species is present on the earth. One of the most popular example of extinct species is dinosaur. All of you know it very well. Dinosaur inhabited the earth millions of years ago, and it is believed that the temperature of the earth suddenly cooled down and dinosaur could not adjust to this change in living condition and thus died. Because of the cold climate, the dinosaur were unable to continue their life and they were become extinct. Some other examples of extinct species are dodo bird from Mauritius, mamo bird, passenger pigeon, woolly mammoth, eastern cougar, California grizzly bear, Tasmania tiger, and Tasmanian wolf. Plants such as Nilgiri holly and cry pansy have also become extinct from India. And other examples of plant species which become extinct are Silphium, Saint Helena olive, Erica pyramidials, and Lepidodendron. These are the extinct species of animals and plants. You can see here woolly mammoth, eastern cougar. These are extinct from the world, from universe. Then extinct in natural habitat. It means that in natural habitat they are not present. This natural habitat are represented alive only by the living members in captivity such as zoos and wildlife parks. That means they are not present in their natural habitat but they are present in zoos and wildlife parks. The, and such species are called extinct in natural habitat. And examples are Wyoming toad, South China tiger, Hawaiian crow, black soft shell turtle. Some Indian examples are the cheetah. Cheetah is extinct from India, not from the world. And the pink headed duck. Kalimantan mango or Kasturi mango is an example of extinct in natural habitat plant species. It may be present in the other habitat, but naturally these animals and plants are not present. Third is endangered species. The species that are at the risk of being extinct, that means they are at the verge of extinction, extinct होने के कगार पर है. If we will not protect them, then one day it will become extinct. So, if proper conservation steps are not taken towards protecting them, then they are called endangered species. These species have declining number of living individuals or are dying due to loss of their habitat because of drastic change in environmental condition. उनका नंबर डिक्रीज कर रहा है. And some examples of such species are Mexican wolf, African penguin, Asian elephant, Bengal tiger, blue whale, common chimpanzee, giant otter, green sea turtle, Indian pangolin, purple-faced langur, snow leopard, wild water buffalo, and red panda. These animals are at the verge of extinction. If we will not protect them, then they will also become extinct one day. And some examples of endangered plant species are Google, Panirband, Roida, Indrok, small hold Pagonia, Lindera melicifolia, and Helianthus paradoxus. Tiger, the number of tiger were decreased few years before, and it was protected by some steps taken by the government. So, do you know Project Tiger? The government of India launched the Tiger Conservation Program in 1973. And the main aim of this project is to ensure a viable population of the Bengal tigers in their natural habitat. To protect tiger in their natural habitat, the program was launched by the government was Project Tiger. It was launched in 1973. And another aim of this project was to limit factors that lead to reduction of tiger habitats and to manage the habitats such that the damages already done are reduced to minimum and a sustainable ecosystem is created and maintained. Now the number of tigers are increased. Then the fourth one is endemic species. The species of plants and animal that are found exclusively in a particular geographical area are called endemic species. That means कि वो उसी पर्टिकुलर रीजन में पाए जाते हैं. They are not found naturally in other areas. Some examples of endemic species are grey jungle fowl. This species of fowl is mainly found in Indian peninsula but is also distributed in the regions of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and southern Rajasthan. Greater one-horned rhinoceros. This type of rhinoceros are found in India and Nepal in the foothills of Himalayas. The Nilgiri Thar. This mountain goat is found in the western Ghats of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Asiatic lion. These are only found in and around the Gir Forest National Park of Gujarat. Sangai deer. The brown antlered deer is only found in the Kebul Lamjau National Park of Manipur. Lion-tailed macaw. This species is endemic to the western Ghats of southern India. Kashmir stag, also known as Hangal. This is the only species of elk found in India. These are endemic to the riverine forest of Dachigam National Park, Kashmir Valley of Jammu and Kashmir, and Chamba in Himachal Pradesh. Ganga river dolphin. This species of dolphin is found only in the river Ganga. Black bug found in the slopes of Himalayas. Nilgiri marten. These mammal is found only in the Western Ghats. So these are endemic species. That means they are present in this particular region only where it is written. So you have to learn the name and where they are present, where they are found. Some other examples of Indian endemic species are purple frog, Western Ghats, present in Western Ghats, pygmy hog, present in Assam, Nilgiri blue robin, Shola forest. The giant panda is an endemic species of southwest China. Darwin's finches or Galapagos finches are an endemic species of small birds found only on the Galapagos island. Rajasthan also has some endemic animal species such as Aravali red spurfowl, Rajasthan red whiskered bulbul, Mount Abu, white-throated babbler, and white-napped tit. Some example of endemic plants of India are red sandal, present in southern India, and Khedula, Indrock, and Penpa, present in Rajasthan. So these are the endemic animals and plants. Do you know India is listed at number 6 in the list of mega diverse countries worldwide? India is known as mega biodiversity because of maximum species present in the world in the wildlife, and more than half of the world's tigers are found in India. It also has 65% of Asian elephants, 100% of Asian lions, and 85% of one horned rhinoceros. So, India is known as mega biodiversity. Another category of animal is also called exotic species. Exotic species are the species that are growing in a non-native environment. That means actually it is from other country or other state, but now it has been brought it to the our surroundings in our environment. Exotic species do not belong to the place they are living in naturally and are introduced from some place else. उसको कहीं किसी और जगह से लाके अपने जगह में धीरे धीरे एडजस्ट कराया जाता है, and they are exotic species. Endemic and exotic are just opposite to each other. Endemic means present in particular region, it is naturally present in that region, and exotic, it is brought from other state, other countries, other place, and then it becomes inhabited in our surroundings. So, in other words, exotic species are those species that are introduced to a region or an ecosystem, often unintentionally through human migration or trade. बिना सोचे समझे कभी उसे अपने सराउंडिंग्स में ले आया गया होगा ह्यूमंस के द्वारा, एंड देन इट remains in that region. This practice sometimes leads to scarcity of resources for the natural resident species. For example, Mediterranean fruit fly has been introduced in America unintentionally and has become a pest now. Similarly, the water hyacinth jalkumbi, is an exotic species in India. ये इंडिया का ओरिजिनल स्पीसीज नहीं है, इसे कहीं और से लाकर यहाँ लगाया गया और ये अब यहाँ का ही हो गया. इट ग्रोज रैपिडली इन वाटर बॉडीज एंड कवर्स अप द एंटायर वाटर बॉडीज. You can see on pond The upper part of the water is covered with green color plants, which is known as water hyacinth jalkumbhi. It is an exotic species in India and thus threatening survival of many native plant species. So these are the some categories of plants and animals or flora and fauna.